Seventh question, Lucy at the Film Festival. So here, Locarno's Film Festival is an annual film festival and is known for being a prestigious platform for art house films. This time at the Locarno's Film Festival, there are N movies screened, each of different genres ranging from drama to comedy one and teen movies to horror one. Lucy is a huge fan of movies and visited the film festival, but she not sure which movie she should watch. Each movie can be categorized by two integers Li and Ri, denoting the length and the rating of the corresponding movie. Lucy want to watch exactly one movie with the maximal value of Li into Ri. If there are several such movies, she would pick one with the maximal Ri among them. If there is still a tie, she should pick the one with the minimal index among them. Write a program to help Lucy pick a movie to watch at the film festival. So here input format you should have in first line of input description contains an integer n. Assume that the maximum value for n as 50. And next, the second line of input description contain n integer L1, L2 to Ln. So the following line contain n integer like Rn, R2, Rn. So here in a film festival so many movies are going to release. In that movie Lucy want to pick a best movie or like a minimal maximum value movie and you want to watch. So how we can achieve that? So here you can see the output should be a single integer I denoting the index of the movie that Lucy should watch in the film festival. So note it is like base indexing. So if you are giving for like 2141 and next is like Ri is 2414, you should get an answer 2. And if you are giving 1 2 and 2 1, you should get 1. So here let's see how to check this. So here we have given a code. In this code I have given two array like A it is 2141 and B it is 2414 and n is equal to length of A. So here we are going to write a method like minimum sum. So A comma B comma n. So here what this method contain is like, here you can see its minimum sum, it has like A comma B comma n. So here we are going to make it like Li into Xi and we are going to find it like which having the maximum value and or it's having a minimum indexing. So here min of A equal to A of 0 we have declared and index of A equal to 0, because here you can see in this it have given like denoting the length corresponding. So here the Li what you should get, it's like a maximum value for n. So she should pick one with maximum Ri or minimal index. So here for minimal index maximum Ri we have declared one variable and minimum index we have declared one variable. So here for like maximum Ri and minimum index. For range in 1 comma n, Ai is less than minimum of A we will check. So if it is minimum of A means that index will be got. And next we will declare minimum of B is equal to B of 0 in the next array like 2 4 the next index we will check. So index B we have declared, same thing we are going to do in second range also. B of I is less than minimum B is equal to B of I index of I. Now what we check is like index of A, this is for first index like A. You can see for the first set of value A and next is for B. So in first set of value index of A is not equal to index of B means we will say return min A plus min B. So if minimum of A2 is equal to system dot max size, index of A2 is equal to 0. So here we will check the condition. If I is not equal to index of A and A of I is less than min of A2, minimum of A2 is equal to A and index is I. So here it will be sorted like the minimum of the index, and we will return the index. And next is like for B2 also we are doing the indexing. This is for maximum value, this is for the minimizing the indexing. So here if we are executing this, what we will get, it's like we will get the maximum like value or a minimum indexing. So just I am going to run this code. You can see it is given 2141. For 2141 they will be checking like a value like minimum, it is A is less than minimum and indexing everything. Then for B it is checked, and again for minimum of A2 like getting an indexing it will be checked. So here you can see the answer, it is like 2. For 2141, 2414, it has been given the answer 2. So this is how you need to find the maximum value or a minimum indexing in a given integers set of values. Next, school student results. So ABS school want good SSLC result in the next upcoming years. So they wanted to prepare student who passed the 8th standard final exam. The educational department of school decided to give free SSLC coaching to students. Headmaster told the class teacher to shortlist the student who passed and failed in final exam of 9th standard. Now she want to create a new student list who passed and failed in the final exam. Help her to create a new student list. If the student mark is less than 40, then he is failed, otherwise he is passed. So the input format, first input indicate a number of student. Next line of input indicate mark of a student. So mark entered according to the roll numbers starting from 1. And next output format, the output indicates roll number of the student who failed and passed. So here all text in bold corresponds to the input and rest correspond to the output. So here you can see if you are giving 6, you will enter 6 students mark, in that all are passed, or you will get whoever is failed. So like 5, like roll number 5 student who failed in final exam. So next if you are giving everything as failed means you will get all are failed. So here we are going to give a list and we are going to check who are failed and who are passed. So here I have given a subject like n equal to 3, the student. Just for 3 student I am going to check, and have given for I in range 1, 3. Mark is enter the marks, and if mark is greater than or equal to 40, print the roll number I passed, else the roll number I failed. So here let's see the output. So here it is n equal to 3, it has been given. So it is asking for enter the mark. So first mark I have entered 40, and second mark I am going to enter it like 40, and third mark I am going to enter. So here it is asking enter the marks. So here it is 3. So I am going to give you the 3 marks. So first I am going to give 70. So it will give you the answer roll number 1 is passed. So it is asking to enter the mark. So I am giving like 70. It is saying roll number 1 passed, and next it is like 40, roll number 2 passed. So here I am giving 25. So roll number 3 failed. So this is how you need to get a mark for like all the student, and you have to check whether they are passed or failed. Next,